be the greatest, you can be the best. You can be the King Kong banging on your chest.
You can beat the world, you can beat the war. You can talk to God, go banging on his door.
You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks.
You can be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you gon' find yourself
Standing in the Hall of Fame.
Yeah.
And the world's gonna know your name.
Yeah.
Cause you burn with the brightest flame.
Yeah.
And the world's gonna know your name.
Yeah.
And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. You can go the distance, you can run the mile. You can walk straight through hell with a smile.
You could be the hero, you can get the gold. Breaking all the records they thought never could be broke.
Yeah, do it for your people, do it for your pride. Are you ever gonna know if you never even try?
Do it for your country, do it for your name.
Cause there's gonna be a day when you're standing in the Hall of Fame.
Yeah.
And the world's gonna know your name.
Yeah.
Cause you burn with the brightest flame. And the world's gonna know your name. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. Be a champion. Be a champion. Be a champion. Be a champion. On the walls of the Hall of Fame. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions, be truth seekers. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions. Standing in the Hall of Fame. And the world's gonna know your name. Cause you burn with the brightest flame. And the world's gonna know your name. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. You can be the greatest, you can be the best. You can be the King Kong banging on your chest.
You can be the world, you can beat the war. You can talk to God, go banging on his door.
You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks.
You can be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you can find yourself
Standing in the Hall of Fame.
Feeling thy presence, feeling thy grace, feeling thy radiance. You are my source of faith and strength. You are my path and destination, and I'm always connected to you. Nothing of me and everything of you. Lead me higher, lead me deeper, lead me beyond, lead me to you.
எக்கணமும் அதிசிறந்த திராவிடனல் திரு Greetings to all the students of Excel. It brings immense happiness and joy when we talk about Children's Day. Is Children's Day only about celebrating Nehru's birthday? I was also in the same assumption all these years. But a little bit of research has helped me understand that Children's Day is celebrated to create an awareness on the rights, welfare and education of the children worldwide. In India, we celebrate Children's Day on 14th of November to mark a tribute to our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, as he was very much fond of two things, roses and children. Nehru once rightly said, children should be nurtured carefully and lovingly. Today's children are tomorrow's citizen. Respecting this great personality's vision, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day.
Hey Nivi ma'am, that was a wonderful talk on the need for today's celebration. We all have gained some insight into why we are celebrating this Children's Day.
Hey, don't be carried away with your emotions.
So true ma'am, our childhood days were so happy and splendid. It makes me want to go back to our childhood days. If I became a child again.
Absolutely, sir. I take this wonderful moment to invite our chairman, Dr. Sri Kumar, our managing director, Mrs. Brinda Sri Kumar, our principal, Mr. Binu Kumar, and our vice principal, Mrs. Indu.
And we also welcome our coordinators, teachers, parents, and all of you, our dear children.
Mother plays a major role in every child's life. We cannot go any further without receiving blessings and words from our parents. So I welcome at this moment our Managing Director, Mrs. Brinda Sri Kumar, to give away her wishes to our wonderful children.
Good morning, my dear teachers and children. Though we are away from each other for a long time, technologies have brought us together. On this special day, my prayer is, Oh God, please be with my children always. Give them the wisdom to differentiate the right and wrong. Let them know their responsibilities in the family and society. Let Almighty be with my children always. My God, let all the dreams of my children and the family come true. On this very special day, I wish all my children, teachers and parents Happy Diwali and a very, very happy Children's Day. Thank you. Love you.
Thank you very much ma'am. Your words were really kind and motivating. You are our role model. Next, I call upon our Chief Coordinator, Mrs. Rajeshri, a dedicated physics faculty, to remind the children of the duties and responsibilities. Let's hear from her.
Greetings to all. Happy Children's Day to all beloved students of Excel. What are duties and responsibilities of children? Power is duty, freedom is responsibility. It's only when we take responsibility in our life, that's the time we discover the true freedom or the true power in us. When we say responsibility, I will split the responsibility into 4 ways. Responsibility to oneself, responsibility to our family, responsibility to the society, and responsibility to Mother Nature. What is responsibility to myself? What responsibility as a student I can have in me? Responsibility of taking my own health and hygiene is our own responsibility. As a student, you must be responsible of your health and hygiene. And also you must be responsible of small things at home. What you can do by yourself. How can we implement it? What's an action plan for this? As an Excel student, you have many action plans for this. School has given you many opportunities for this. If you're a lower student, do you remember the self-help skills your parents are talking about? Yes, it's like small things what you can do to yourself. Washing your own cloth, tying your own shoelace, arranging my books, my own table, these all are my responsibility. So self-help skills, that's very important. And if you're in higher grades, right, you just think about the 5 A's given to Excel. First, you talk about the arogya, your health, your hygiene. Develop your attitude in such a way that you will be very happy and caring to everybody. And also study about the personalities. Life is too short to make a lot of mistakes and learn from our own mistake. So learn from others' mistake every day. As we have SIVs in our school, you are learning the personalities, finding that mistakes and correcting yourself. So this is an opportunity for you to have responsible in yourself. What is responsible towards family members? As a family member, we have many responsibility as a son, as a daughter, as a brother, as a sister, as a grandchild, right? Not many responsibilities you have. And what responsibility you can show to your grandparents? You can care them, you can love them. Your parents, you have to care, you have to love, you have to keep your own house and premises neat. That is also your responsibility. When you take up your home, keeping everything safe and clean is your responsibility. So what's an action plan for that? The main two reasons which I tell for the students to have responsibility for the family members is listening very good. There's many difference between hearing and listening. We always hear the things that will not come to our heart. You have to listen the things. Listen to your elders. Listen to them. Pay attention to them. When you get time, sit with your grandparents, sit with your parents, talk to them about it. Don't get anger. When you come out, you just have a good smile and be pleasant with everybody. Talk positive things. Okay? Self-affirmation, affirmative talks will make you more confident and to your family members as well. Then responsibility towards society. That's very important. If you're responsible to yourself, responsible to your family members, you can be responsible to the society. What government says, what we are supposed to do when we go out. When you go out, you might have seen that, especially in India, it's all litter everywhere. We always complain that, no, it's our responsibility to make sure that it's neat. So you take up the action. As a leader, you take up the leadership is taking up the responsibility rather when all others make excuses. So you take up the responsibility. You don't throw any litter. You keep always throw the litter in the dustbin. So keep like that. Nowadays we say wearing the mask. You make it a compulsory that when you go in a gathering, when you go outside, always wear the mask in a proper way. If you find any of your beloved ones, family members not wearing the mask, tell them to do that. When you go out, like wearing following the traffic rules, having the helmet properly, the seat belt properly, these are also your responsibility as a citizen. The last one, if you are responsible to yourself, to your family members, to the society, definitely you must be responsible to the Mother Earth. Responsibility towards the Mother Nature. How do you make sure that you are responsible to the Mother Nature? As a student, as a school student, it's not possible for you to get into the world to do something, but you can always create an awareness. You know that how pollution causes this global warming, all these things. Creating an awareness, very simple things what you can do even at home is if you switch on the lights, if it is not needed, just off the lights. Make sure that you use water, electricity of your own way, it is only used for the purpose, not you are misusing it. So make the earth, Mother Nature fit for everybody to live in. So if you are responsible in yourself, to your family, to the society, to the Mother Nature, you can be a great leader. Learn it, serve others and lead. That's the motto of Excel, to learn, to serve, to lead. Once again, remembering you the vision of Excel School, that is to transform each and every student to a focused leader with intellectually caliber and moral integrity in your chosen field. So whatever field you choose, you should be a very great focused leader of your own. So wishing you all once again, the happy Children's Day and also happy Diwali. Be safe at home. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rajeshri ma'am, for that wonderful speech. Without any further ado, let me call upon our principal, Mr. Binu Kumar, as he is literally waiting for his children to meet them, to greet them, to share his love and compassion towards them. I call upon Mr. Binu Kumar, our principal, to give away his speech.
Dear teachers and students, warm greetings to everyone. Today is a very special day. It is also one of my favorite days of year. I am delighted to wish you all on this special day. Wishing all my beloved children happy Children's Day. We celebrate various days We have Father's Day, Mother's Day, Women's Day. Like so many days we celebrate. 14th November is celebrated as Children's Day all over India to commemorate the birthday anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of independent India. He appealed to children that always climbed the ladders of success with utmost dignity and respect. Children are the building blocks of our nation, and we should help them grow in an optimistic manner. Children are the lights of our home, but remember that you have the power to enlighten our nation as well. Children are our hope. They carry forward our dreams. For kids of this generation, Children's Day is not a day for the roses, toffees or parades, as it was when we were young. Today it's way beyond that. Why do we celebrate this day? What difference has it made to the children of our country? The star upon whose reverence we celebrate this day has had a major role in bringing up the idea that kids are the architects of future and hence need to be nurtured with utmost love and care. Chacha Nehru had immense love and passion for this cause. So, dear children, you are the most precious treasure of our country. You will be the future leaders, scientists, doctors, engineers, and teachers. Everybody expects from you to bring transformation for the development of the country. So expectations are very high on you. Dear children, don't underestimate your energy and power just because you are kids. The success is not related with age. You will have to start work to reach your destination. So your focus must be on your studies. Prepare yourself for future. You will see the future belongs to you. You can mold it for you, for your family and for the nation. Once again, I wish everybody Happy Children's Day and Happy Diwali. God bless you all abundantly. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Your words were a real blessing to our children.
Libby ma'am, it's time for fun and enjoyment. Let's rewind ourselves and be like these young, energetic children at heart.
The word energy itself means dance. Here are our kindergarten teachers here to perform a wonderful performance for all the lovely kids out there.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। हाँ हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ। चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले, मस्ती में तू डोल रे। बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले भला मछलियां भी क्यों उड़ती नहीं, ऐसे भी सोचो ना, सोचो सूरज रोज नहाए या बाल भिगो के ये बुद्धू बनाए, हमें ये सारे तारे टिमटिमाए या फिर गुस्से में कुछ बड़बड़ाते रहे। खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले।
That was superb. I believe our children would have loved it the most.
Let us give that wonderful opportunity to grade 1 to 3 teachers who are ready with a wonderful song.
தங்கங்களே நாளை தலைவர்களே நம் தாயும் மொழியும் கண்கள், சிங்கங்களே வாழும் தெய்வங்களே நம் தேசம் காப்பவர் நீங்கள். தங்கங்களே நாளை தலைவர்களே நம் தாயும் மொழியும் கண்கள், சிங்கங்களே வாழும் தெய்வங்களே நம் தேசம் காப்பவர் நீங்கள். நம் தாத்தா காந்தி மாமா நேரு தேடிய செல்வங்கள், கல்வி சாலை தந்த ஏழை தலைவர் தினமும் எண்ணுங்கள். நம் தாத்தா காந்தி மாமா நேரு தேடிய செல்வங்கள், கல்வி சாலை தந்த ஏழை தலைவர் தினமும் எண்ணுங்கள். தங்கங்களே நாளை தலைவர்களே நம் தாயும் மொழியும் கண்கள், சிங்கங்களே வாழும் தெய்வங்களே நம் தேசம் காப்பவர் நீங்கள். அறம் செய்ய விரும்பு என்றால் ஒவ்வை தர்மம் செய்யுங்கள், அன்பே தெய்வம் என்றார் பெரியோர் அன்புடன் வாழுங்கள். அறம் செய்ய விரும்பு என்றால் ஒவ்வை தர்மம் செய்யுங்கள், அன்பே தெய்வம் என்றார் பெரியோர் அன்புடன் வாழுங்கள். யாரும் தீமை செய்தாலும் நீங்கள் நன்மை செய்யுங்கள், யாரும் பொய்யை சொன்னாலும் நீங்கள் மெய்யை சொல்லுங்கள். நேர்மையாய் வாழ்வதில் தோல்வியே இல்லையே. தங்கங்களே நாளை தலைவர்களே நம் தாயும் மொழியும் கண்கள், சிங்கங்களே வாழும் தெய்வங்களே நம் தேசம் காப்பவர் நீங்கள். கூடும் உறவு கூட்டுறவென்று ஒன்றாய் வாழுங்கள், கூடிய பிறகு குற்றம் காணும் கொள்கை தள்ளுங்கள். கூடும் உறவு கூட்டுறவென்று ஒன்றாய் வாழுங்கள், கூடிய பிறகு குற்றம் காணும் கொள்கை தள்ளுங்கள். என்றும் ஒன்றே செய்யுங்கள், ஒன்றும் நன்றே செய்யுங்கள், நன்றும் இன்றே செய்யுங்கள், நீங்கள் எதிலும் வெல்லுங்கள். வீரரின் வாழ்விலே தோல்வியே இல்லையே. தங்கங்களே நாளை தலைவர்களே நம் தாயும் மொழியும் கண்கள், சிங்கங்களே வாழும் தெய்வங்களே நம் தேசம் காப்பவர் நீங்கள். தங்கங்களே நாளை தலைவர்களே நம் தாயும் மொழியும் கண்கள், சிங்கங்களே வாழும் தெய்வங்களே நம் தேசம் காப்பவர் நீங்கள். நம் தாத்தா காந்தி மாமா நேரு தேடிய செல்வங்கள், கல்வி சாலை தந்த ஏழை தலைவன் தினமும் எண்ணுங்கள். நம் தாத்தா காந்தி மாமா நேரு தேடிய செல்வங்கள், கல்வி சாலை தந்த ஏழை தலைவன் தினமும் எண்ணுங்கள்.
That was a nice song. Next, I call upon our Tamil faculty, Miss Shiva ma'am, to recite a small poem for you people.
பஞ்சு போன்ற பிஞ்சு நெஞ்சங்களின் உள்ளங்களை கொள்ளை கொள்ளும் குழந்தைகள் தின விழாவும், எண்ணங்களை வண்ண வண்ண ஒளிச்சிதறலாக வெளிப்படுத்தி இன்பத்தை சிதறச் செய்யும் தீபாவளியும் இணைந்து வரும் நன்னாள் இது. எவ்வருடமும் இல்லாத சிறப்பு இவ்வருடத்திற்கு அமைந்துள்ளது. அனைத்து மாணவ செல்வங்களுக்கும் இனிய குழந்தைகள் தின விழா மற்றும் தீபாவளி நல்வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். நாளைய பாரத சிற்பிகளாய் நாளும் நயமாய் சிலை வடித்து ஆலய தீபம் ஏற்றிடவே ஆனந்த கீதம் பாடிடுவோம். காலையும் மாலையும் கண்மணிகள் கல்வியே கடமை என்றுணர்ந்து வேலை கடலலை தானாற்ற வெற்றி வாழ்வில் நிச்சயமே. ஆம், நவம்பர் மாதம் என்றதுமே நினைவுக்கு வருவது குழந்தைகள் தினம். இதை நமது தேசம் முழுவதும் சிறப்பாக கொண்டாடுகிறோம். உலகின் சிறப்பு வாய்ந்த தினங்களுள் மிகவும் முக்கியமானது குழந்தைகள் தினம். எதிர்காலத்தில் உலகை ஆளப்போகிறவர்கள் குழந்தைகள் என்று பெரியவர்கள் கூறும் குழந்தைகளை மகிழ்விப்பதற்காகவே இவ்விழா அமைந்துள்ளது. அத்தகைய சிறப்புமிக்க குழந்தைகள் தினம் குறித்து பார்ப்போம். 1889 நவம்பர் 14ஆம் நாள் அலகாபாத்தில் நேரு பிறந்தார். வெள்ளை மனம் கொண்டவர்கள் குழந்தைகள். கள்ளமற்ற இந்த குழந்தைகளுக்காக உலகம் முழுவதும் நவம்பர் 20ஆம் நாள் குழந்தைகள் தினம் கொண்டாடப்படுகிறது. இருப்பினும் நவம்பர் 14ஆம் நாள் இந்தியாவில் குழந்தைகள் தினம் கொண்டாடப்படுவதற்கு காரணம் நம் நாட்டின் முதல் பிரதமர் ஜவஹர்லால் நேரு. இவர் குழந்தைகள் மீதும் குழந்தைகள் நேரு மீதும் வைத்திருந்த அன்பே காரணம். அவரது பிறந்த நாளை தான் குழந்தைகள் தினமாக கொண்டாடுகிறோம். இந்தியாவில் குழந்தை தொழிலாளர்களும் அதிகரித்து வருவதாக ஆய்வுகள் கூறுகின்றன. குழந்தை தொழிலாளர்கள் இல்லாமல் அனைத்து குழந்தைகளும் அடிப்படை கல்வி பெற்று முழு பாதுகாப்புடன் அனைத்து உரிமைகளையும் பெற வேண்டும் என்பதே குழந்தைகள் தின விழாவின் நோக்கம். நாட்டின் முன்னேற்றத்திற்கு அடித்தளமாக விளங்குவது குழந்தைகளே. குழந்தை பருவத்தில் கற்றுக்கொள்ளும் விஷயங்கள் தான் எதிர்காலத்திலும் பிரதிபலிக்கும். குழந்தை பருவத்தில் நல்ல பழக்கங்களை கற்றுக் கொடுக்க வேண்டும். ஒவ்வொரு குழந்தைகளுக்கும் ஒரு கனவு இருக்கும். அதை தெரிந்து கொண்டு நிறைவேற்ற பெற்றோர் முயற்சிக்க வேண்டும். குழந்தைகள் தினத்தில் பெற்றோர் ஆசிரியர்கள் இணைந்து குழந்தைகளின் ஆர்வத்தையும் அனுபவத்தையும் ஆசைகளையும் அணுகுமுறைகளையும் மனநிலையையும் கூர்மையாக கவனிக்க வேண்டும். அதன் அடிப்படையில் அவர்களுக்கு எப்படி போதிக்க வேண்டும் என்பதை குறித்து தீர்மானித்து கொள்ள வேண்டும். அந்த சிறப்பான அணுகுமுறையானது குழந்தைகளின் நாளைய ஆக்கப்பூர்வமான சாதனைகளுக்கு அடிப்படையாக அமையும் என்பதில் சந்தேகமில்லை. அடுத்ததாக தீபாவளி. தீபாவளி அல்லது தீப ஒளி திருநாள் என்பது 5 நாட்கள் கொண்டாடப்படுகின்ற பண்டிகையாகும். தீபம் என்றால் விளக்கு, ஆவெளி என்றால் வரிசை என பொருள்படும். எனவே தீபாவளி என்பது வரிசையாக விளக்குகள் ஏற்றி வைத்து கொண்டாடும் பண்டிகையாகும். வாழ்வில் இருளை போக்கி ஒளிமயமாக்குவதே தீபாவளி என்று விளக்குகள் ஏற்றி வைக்க காரணமாகும். உயிர்களின் மூலமான சூரியன் ஆற்றலை பிரதிபலிக்கும் விதத்தில் விளக்குகள் ஏற்றி வைக்கப்படுவதாக ஸ்கந்த புராணத்தில் குறிப்பிடப்பட்டுள்ளது. அரக்கனான நரகாசுரனை கண்ணன் வதம் செய்த நாளை தீபாவளி பண்டிகையாக கொண்டாடுகின்றோம். தீபாவளியை பசுமையாக சுற்றுச்சூழல் பாதிக்காத விதத்தில் கொண்டாட வேண்டும். ஒளி மற்றும் காற்று மாசை கட்டுப்படுத்தும் விதமான பட்டாசுகளை வெடிக்க வேண்டும். மேலும் அதிக சத்தத்தை மற்றும் ஒளியை தரும் பட்டாசுகளுக்கு பதிலாக கிரீன் பட்டாசுகளை பயன்படுத்த வேண்டும். கிரீன் பட்டாசுகள் குறைவான சத்தத்துடனும் வெள்ளை மற்றும் மஞ்சள் நிறங்களில் மட்டும் ஒளிரும். வேதியியல் பொருட்கள் அதிகம் பயன்படுத்தப்படாததால் குழந்தைகளுக்கும் சுற்றுச்சூழலுக்கும் பாதுகாப்பானது. பட்டாசு வெடிக்கும் போது கடைபிடிக்க வேண்டியவை: ஒரு பாத்திரத்தில் தண்ணீர் மற்றும் மணல் போன்றவை அருகில் வைத்திருக்க வேண்டும். பட்டாசு வாங்கும் போது முறையான அனுமதி பெற்று தயாரிக்கப்பட்ட தரமான பட்டாசுகளை வாங்க வேண்டும். பெரும்பாலும் திறந்த வெளிப்பகுதிகளில் பட்டாசு வெடிப்பது நன்மை அளிக்கும். குழந்தைகளை பட்டாசு வெடிக்கும் பகுதியில் இருந்து தூர நிற்க வைத்து பார்க்க செய்ய வேண்டும். இந்த தீபாவளியை பசுமையானதாக மாற்றுவோம். அனைவரும் ஒன்றிணைந்து பசுமை தீபாவளியை கொண்டாடுவோம். பசுமை சுற்றுச்சூழலை வளர்க்க உறுதியெடுப்போம். மத்தாப்புக்கள் சிதற, பட்டாசுகள் வெடிக்க, வீடெங்கும் மகிழ்ச்சி வெள்ளம் பொங்க கொண்டாடுவோம் இந்த தீபாவளியை. நன்றி.
This Children's Day is actually dedicated to our first Prime Minister, Chacha Nehru. So here are our grade 4 and 5 teachers to speak about him.
Greetings to all. Today is Children's Day, a day dedicated to you kids. We celebrate Children's Day as the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India.
Nehru was adored by all the children. He has worked a lot to improve the education and living standards of children.
He was affectionately called as Chacha Nehru. He was born in a Kashmiri Pandit family in Allahabad as the son of Motilal Nehru and Soruba Rani on November 14, 1889.
His Irish teacher introduced him to the world of books. Nehru left India for his higher studies in London, UK. He completed his graduation from Trinity College in Cambridge in the year 1910. He earned barrister degree in London.
He practiced law from the Inner Temple, London. Nehru returned home in 1912 and married Kamala Khan. In 1917, his daughter Indira Priyadarshini was born.
Nehru joined the Indian National Congress. He met Gandhi. He was elected as President of the Indian National Congress. Indira formed a Children's Association and helped her father.
He worked with Gandhi in the civil disobedience movement and Quit India movement. He spent 9 years in prison. When the British left India, he was sworn in as the first Prime Minister of India in 1947. He served as the Prime Minister for 17 years.
Most of the India's science and technology institutions were established under Nehru's leadership. He knew the immense power that knowledge can bring.
Nehru's contributions enriched art and literature as well. Nehru took the initiative to develop the education policy for children.
Nehru was a great thinker, a writer and historian. He wrote many books including The Discovery of India, Glimpses of World History, A Letter from a Father to His Daughter and an autobiography. On May 27, 1964, his demise left India in tears.
According to Nehru, failure is possible only if you forget ideals, principles and objectives. The quality of attitude and principles is what matters if you want to succeed.
We celebrate Children's Day on 14 November every year as a tribute to India's first Prime Minister, Chacha Nehru, who loved children.
We, teachers of grade 4 and 5, wish all the future leaders of Excel a happy Children's Day.
I wonder if A.R. Rahman was here, he would have sung our children a beautiful song.
Hey, don't worry. Let's call one of his students from the same university to sing.
Who's that?
It's none other than our music teacher, Mr. Jim.
Yeah.
Coming around and everybody fighting with their brothers. Everybody wants control, don't hesitate to kill one another.
it glorious? All the teachers wishing their children. They must be really proud to be the torch bearers of the future generation.
Hello everyone. Today is one of the most special days in our lives. It is indeed very special for our precious gems who fulfill our purpose of being a teacher. As said by some anonymous writer, never forget to tell your children how much you love them. We too never want to miss this wonderful opportunity of showing our love towards you even during this pandemic situation. Even though we are separated by distance, we are all connected by heart and through this virtual platform.
Happy morning to all. I wish all my students a very happy Children's Day. Happy Children's Day.
தீபாவளி மற்றும் குழந்தைகள் நாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
I wish all my dear children a very happy Children's Day. Have a safe, joyful and blessed Diwali. Thank you.
Remember one thing, obstacles come into our lives to prepare us for something bigger. Treat them as opportunities and you will never fail in life.
Children are the amazing wonders of the world. They are the sparkling stars in the sky. Children are the natural Zen masters. Their world is brand new in each and every moment.
A child can teach an adult in three things: to be happy always for no reason, to be busy with something, and know how to demand with all his mind what you want. The most precious thing in the world is a smile on the face of a child. May happiness and sunshine fill your world. Happy Children's Day, my dears.
The sparkling stars in the sky. Children are the natural Zen masters.
புன்னகை பூக்களால் உலகை மகிழ்ச்சியடை செய்யும் குழந்தைகள் நாள் விழாவும் வண்ண வண்ண ஒளிச்சிதறல்கள் மூலம் இருளை விளக்கும் தீபாவளி நன்னாள் இணைந்து வரும் பொன்னாள் இது.
Every child in the world is a miracle. They have their own views. This makes the world very beautiful. It's for us, we teachers.
So we teach you the subjects as well as the experience what we have gathered, but still we need to learn how to live life and how to laugh with all your sweet hearts from you. You won't ever stress much over anything if you let your inner child guide you. If there will be no children, the world would be devoid of all the sunshine, love and laughter. I wish you all a happy Children's Day and I wish you all a happy Diwali. Wishing you success and good grades on Diwali. May this auspicious occasion brings along lots of fun, entertainment and good times with your loved ones. Wishing you all stay safe. God bless you.
Today, November 14th, our first Prime Minister, Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. My dear children, this is your day. On your shining faces, I can see the hope, I can see the bright future. Children, make your parents, teachers, school and the nation proud. My dream is to see your dreams come true. My heartfelt love all of you. Happy Children's Day. Enjoy.
I wish you all, my children, to be very pure in their heart and be happy. Thank you. Bye to all.
Children, nice to meet you all in this special day. Children, you are in the best age to set your goal and frame yourself. There's nothing that you can't do because you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. So make your day masterpiece. Love you all, dear children. Stay blessed. Happy Children's Day.
Every child is a different kind of flower and all together makes the world a beautiful garden. Wish you all a happy Children's Day.
For the real gift and real blessing of God, no flowers can be compared with another flower. If the teachers love the child today, the child will love the world tomorrow. So I assure you that I will be very nice to the child whoever I meet so that they will create a history in a simple deed. Once again, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day and happy Diwali.
So this is a great occasion to wish you all through this platform, and I'm very happy to that also because you're missing you guys a lot on these days, and you know that, right?
So before wishing you guys, I just wanted to convey a message. So most of us will not enjoy a student phase or a childhood days. But once we complete that phase and we go out of that phase, we always wish to be back to those days. So I'd like to tell you, enjoy the most of your childhood days as well as your school days, because once we complete, these are the good memories that will be with us. So again, I'm wishing you guys a happy Children's Day and waiting to see you guys.
Hi my dear children, I'm very happy to address you all in this special day. I wish you all a happy Children's Day. Meeting you all in this journey gave me a great opportunity to learn something from each and every one of you. You all made me a wonderful teacher. May the innocence of your smiles, purity of your heart stays forever and forever. Once again, I wish you all a joyful Children's Day.
Hey kiddos, wishing you all a very happy Children's Day. This is your day, enjoy it to the most. And I'm so excited to see you all. Once again, happy Children's Day.
We worry about what a child will become tomorrow. Yet we forget that he or she is someone today. Children, you must concentrate on today's work so that you can confidently face tomorrow. All our hard work are for making you a better human being than we are. All the good wishes to you on this special day. Happy Children's Day. God bless you all.
Wishing all my children happy Children's Day and happy Diwali. Enjoy both the celebrations.
We are coming to the end of today's session. I know closure is always very sad. We don't want to close.
Ma'am, wait, I can hear something. Somebody's coming.
Children, come on, tell us what it is.
Ma'am, please wait. Don't stop the session.
Why?
We have a surprise for you.
Surprise? What surprise?
A very special surprise.
Surprise? What kind of surprise?
Okay guys, get the chairs. Let's reveal the surprise.
Teachers, please get seated. Let's get ready for mindful practice.
Mindful practice?
Yes.
Okay.
Now please close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली सारे सितारे उसके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली
Diwali, most popularly known as the Festival of Lights, is celebrated with great enthusiasm throughout the nation. Diwali symbolizes the victory of good over evil, light over darkness, and knowledge over ignorance. It marks the victory of Lord Rama over Ravana and the homecoming of Rama after an exile of 14 years. As per another popular tradition, Diwali is also celebrated to signify the victory of Lord Krishna over Naragasura. During Diwali, people wear the finest clothes, illuminate their homes with diyas and rangoli, perform worship ceremonies, light fireworks, and partake in family feasts where gifts and sweets are shared. Beyond the light and fun, Diwali is also a time to reflect on one's life and make changes for the upcoming year. Diwali is an unifying event. It is a time when people mingle about and embrace one another. The vibrations produced by the greetings of love fill the atmosphere. May this auspicious occasion relieve us from the evil aspects of Corona and light our lives with happiness, peace, and joy. Let us all pray that this festival of light spread positivity all around. And I wish you all a very happy Diwali.
Thank you, Trisha. Today is a special day, a day of celebration, happiness, and delicious feast, and so on. it is so important to convey our wishes to the spectators. And here, the most pleasing personality, the Vice Principal of Excel Central School, Mrs. Indu, to convey her wishes on this special occasion. Ma'am, this is your time.
A very happy Diwali wishes to all. Festivals help us to keep connection with our roots, culture and origin. They teach us forget enmity and embrace one another and create a bond of love and an environment of cultural harmony. Diwali, popularly known as the Festival of Lights, always comes in the month of Kartika as per the lunar cycle. The 13th day of the Kartika month is the festival. Traditionally, the science behind this is, on this day, people worship Dhanvantri, the deity dedicated to one's health and well-being. The festival represents the symbolic victory of light over darkness, knowledge over ignorance, and good over evil. We light earthen lamps, which is a symbolic representation of kindling the divinity within us by lighting the lamp of knowledge to remove the darkness of ignorance and negativity. Also, Diwali has been associated with bursting crackers, but is it really necessary? Of course not. Diwali can still be celebrated amazingly by staying safe at home and enjoying with your family members. We must responsibly celebrate the festival without least compromising on the safety of others. We must keep in mind that festivals have been made to foster the important spirit of brotherhood among us and not to destroy our Mother Nature in the name of celebrations. This Diwali is not just a festival to celebrate. It's also a time for renewed hope for the brighter future. Festivity is all about togetherness and strengthening bonds. People staying away from their family and loved ones are not able to travel due to COVID-19-led restrictions. Getting gifts from shops and visiting your relatives and friends could not be a safe option this year. So let's go digital and adjust to the new normal. Let's find some innovative ways to send digital greetings and gifts to our beloved ones, wishing them on a video or audio call. Plan your indoor celebrations with your family members. It's also recommended to refrain from outside food that might affect our immunity system. Having homely food is the most suitable option during such a pandemic situation and also adds a traditional feel of the festival to the celebration. There is no better time than the Festival of Lights, the Diwali, to make a fresh start. Let's all learn the key values of this festival and make them part of our daily lifestyle and shape our future. Thank you. Have a safe, joyful and blessed Diwali to all and wish all my dear children a very happy Children's Day too. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was so soothing to hear from you. Dance is the hidden language of the soul. I call upon Nimina and Tony for an intense performance. Here we go.
Oh, hello! झमाझम नाच आजे धमाधम ढोल बाजे नॉन स्टॉप हल्ला मचेगा ओए नाचो सारे पापा पापा पीपनी पे आजा नया स्टेप सीखे नॉन स्टॉप हल्ला मचेगा ओए नाचो सारे अपनी फेमस है रात वाली यारियां जाले सारा जहां बेथलपुर मां सुन ले ओ छोरियां झूमे नगरिया जब जब ये घूमे कमर यार तारी कमरिया तारी कमरिया बेथलपुर मां सुन ले ओ छोरियां झूमे नगरिया जब जब ये घूमे कमर यार तारी
guys for this. I guess it's time for another breathtaking performance. I call upon ICSE seniors for an intense performance.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Let's count it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
जब से पहना है मैंने ये इश्क सहरा अली बली हो गया है दिल दुनिया से मेरा अली बली हो गया है दिल अली बली हो गया है दिल दुनिया से मेरा अली बली हो गया है दिल
पाड्रे
चढ़ा मुझ पे सुरूर है असर तेरा ये जरूर है तेरी नजर का कसूर है अब तो होश ना खबर है ये कैसा असर है होश ना खबर है ये कैसा असर है तुमसे मिलने के बाद दिल भर तुमसे मिलने के बाद दिल भर
என்ன சவுண்டு என்னமோ ஜாதிச்ச மாதிரி சவுண்ட கொடுக்குற சவுண்ட கொடுக்குறாங்க சவுண்ட
On the floor baby hit it hard baby rock the party baby patu lengi podi on the floor baby hit it hard baby rock the party baby patu lengi podi
Good morning coach.
கேக்கல
Good morning coach.
சத்தமா
எவன்டா இங்க சொல்ல நீங்க சண்டை செஞ்சு பொருளை வச்சு இடுப்புல வச்சு சீனே போட்டா வெஸ்டே ஐயோ இவன் எந்த பூவே ஆளு பறந்து வளர்ந்து வெச படி காசி மேட்டே பூண்டே படுவா இவன் தடி தடி போன போட லெஃப்ட் விட்டா ரைட் பக்கத்துல கிஞ்சி போடும் சிங்கிள் பஞ்சி ஐயோ இவன் கண்ணா பார்த்தா கோயிந்த மாதிரி அவுத்து விட்டா கிஞ்சி போடும் ஒண்ணு வச்சா உயிரை போயிடும் சாம்பாரு மாமா வச்சா மாதிரி மஞ்சா சொல்றேன் சுண்டா கட்டி முறை மோசமான ஆளா பாரு என்ன சொன்னாலும் எங்க அப்பா வச்ச கேப்பான் பாரு என்னங்கிற கம்மங்கிற ஏன்னா வந்து கொம்மங்கிற Abusada mix.
Mas só que a profissão das minas é
Abusadamente ela vai batendo, bum, bum, ela vai sentando, bum, bum, ela vai quicando, bum, 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 bum.
abusada.
Ei, nada இது சப்ப பீட்டு கொளுத்துங்கடா
Thank you guys for this. It was legit. Now I call upon Renzo sir and team. The stage is yours.
தெற்கு சீமையில என்ன பத்தி கேளு
தூளு கிளப்புறவன் தூத்துக்குடி ஆளு ராசா எட்டு வச்சா படபடக்கும் கூறு லேசா கண்ணடிச்சா வெடி வெடிக்கும் பாரு தீபாவளி தல தீபாவளி தீபாவளி தல தீபாவளி தெற்கு சீமையில என்ன பத்தி கேளு தூளு கலப்பறவன் தூத்துக்குடி ஆளு தீபாவளி தல தீபாவளி தீபாவளி தல தீபாவளி தீபாவளி தல தீபாவளி தீபாவளி தல தீபாவளி.
Thank you so much. You all rocked as usual. We have come to the end of the session, and now I request Priyanka to deliver the word of thanks.
Today was indeed a very special day and hope you guys enjoy this day to the maximum. It's a custom to bid welcome to our spectators and to thank them for their presence throughout this event. I'm Priyanka and I'm here to deliver the word of thanks for today's event. Let me begin by thanking Dr. C. Sri Kumar, the chairman of Excel Group of Schools, for his inspiring ideas and thoughts. And then I would like to thank Mrs. Brinda Sri Kumar, the managing director of Excel Group of Schools, who have always been an inspiration to all of us. Thank you, ma'am. And then I would like to extend my hearty thanks to Mr. Binakumar, the principal of Excel Central School, for his inspiring and motivating words. Thank you, sir. And now I would like to thank Mrs. Indu, the Vice Principal of Excel Central School, for her guidance and support throughout this event. I would like to thank the Excel Media team and the school management for making this event possible right now. A special thanks to Mr. Santosh, Mrs. Libby and Mrs. Rajashri for making this event a very successful one with their guidance and support. I would like to thank all my dear friends for taking part in this event and making this a very successful one. Last but not the least, I would like to thank the parents, teachers and all my dear friends for their presence throughout this event and making this event a very wonderful one. Thank you all. And finally, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day and a safe and sound Diwali. Stay safe, folks.
बनाई